Welcome! We're going to head off to the quote and order section for this video. Alright, so inside this section, this is all about your quotes and your orders. So first of all, we can allow quotes, and that will allow either quotes or orders. And so we have two little buttons here, and I'll show you where those show up. But just to let you know, you can change the text on them. And so let's show you where they show up. So this Save as Quote button will show up down here. Save as Quote button will show up in your cart at the bottom little section down here. And that's kind of your quote path. You can also change all the verbiage for an order path right here. And use it inside your cart. Alright, for the next one, we have different types of quotes that you can show. So we have an Adilas quote and a basic quote. And so let us show you a little bit of what that looks like. So I'm going to head, and I plopped over into the e-commerce, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'm going to go over to my quotes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click in, and we're going to go look at this quote. So we can see it has some information right here. It has a little bit more details over here, like who the salesperson was. Just some more information, kind of just like Adilas has. So we're going to go over and we're going to click on Basic Quote. So we're going to save our settings. Go back over here. We're going to refresh the page. And we can see now that a lot of that information down at the bottom is no longer there. So I'm going to switch back just so you can kind of see which information changes. So we're going to save as an Adilas quote. Come back over, refresh the page, and you can see that we now have this section right here. And we also have this one as well. And so you can choose which one you would like. Just right inside the e-commerce settings. This little feature right here is a nice little feature that was added just recently. It allows you to send HTML content in your email. So let's see if we can get the picture. Go ahead and click. And we can see that we can send HTML messages or just messages based off of what items people give quotes for. So if they give a quote for a Snickers, Butterfingers, and a Baby Ruth, they'll get messages for all three of them. We have a customer who uses this for sending test results. You could also send brochures or assembling manuals or different ads or whatever you would like. You can send through this HTML message to your customers. Okay, we're going to come on down a little bit further. This is place order message and make quote message. It shows up in the different paths. Again, it's the same thing, but just different verbiage. So the order message is right here. And your quote message is in the same spot, but you're allowed to put different verbiage based off of the route they go to make a quote. And that's it for our quotes today.